Good morning, children. A very warm good morning to all my dear students. Now we have already discussed many topics of chapter number 16, that is light. Today we are going to discuss a very simple and small topic, that is multiple reflection. See beta, first of all we will start. You might be thinking, when one plane mirror forms an image, then two plane mirrors together will form two images. However, it is not true. जैसे ही हम एंगल चेंज करते हैं टू मिरर्स का, वी गेट एनी नंबर ऑफ इमेजेस. लेट अस डिस्कस दिस टॉपिक इन डिटेल. वी कैन टेक एन एग्जाम्पल. हाउ डू यू सी योर बैक आफ्टर हैविंग अ हेयर कट. जब आप किसी पार्लर में, किसी सैलून में हेयर कट लेते हैं तो आपको पीछे का स्टाइल कैसे दिखाई देता है? When you visit a saloon or a beauty parlor, you are made to sit in front of a mirror. After your haircut, what hairdressers do? It holds a mirror in behind you. आपके पीछे एक मिरर को लेकर खड़ा हो जाता है. So you need two mirrors to see the back of your own head. When two mirrors are inclined to each other at an angle, many images of the object are seen. Why? This is because the image formed in one mirror act as the object for the other, and many images formed in this manner are called multiple images. We can see this example. See, देखिए बेटा, when the two mirrors are kept perpendicularly to each other, three images of object are formed, and when a pair of mirror is placed parallel to each other, an infinite number of images are formed due to multiple reflection. इसका एग्जाम्पल हमें ट्राई रूम में भी दिखता है. कभी कभी हम देखते हैं ना, जब हम ट्राई रूम में, तो हमें बहुत सारे अपनी ही इमेजेस दिखाई देती हैं. नाउ हाउ वी कैन काउंट द नंबर ऑफ द इमेजेस? They depend upon the angle between the mirrors, and we can calculate it by using this formula, that is 360 by angle between the mirror minus 1. जितना भी angle हो, if it can be 90, it can be 60, it can be 0, so you will get different number of images. Now what are its applications? Its application is in kaleidoscope. See beta, what is kaleidoscope? It's a device which is based on the multiple reflections, and it consists of mirror inclined to each other at 60 degrees. में mirror जो है वो 60 डिग्री पर लगाए जाते हैं, and this creates beautiful patterns which change when the kaleidoscope is rotated or shaken. और ये angles change होते हैं और उससे beautiful patterns जो हैं वो हमें मिलते हैं. We get new ideas for this designers of wallpapers, fabrics and artists. They use this kaleidoscope to get the different images. Different designs basically. Now we can make a kaleidoscope. We can take three equal size mirror strips together with a sellotape with shiny sides facing inwards to form a triangular tube. Then you have to cover one end of the triangular tube with cardboard or a transparent plastic pouch. Fix it firmly with sellotape so that the mirror do not fall down if the tube is held vertically. Now put in the color glass pieces, broken bangles, cover the other end of the tube with a stiff paper and make a peephole at the center. Now cover the curved portion and gift wrap colored paper. The kaleidoscope is ready to use. Now what you will observe, looking through the hole, इस hole में से देखने पर you see beautiful patterns when you rotate the tube. And what we have observed, we have observed the different patterns through multiple reflections. Now we are using the plane mirror. Plane mirror are often used as looking glass. देखने के लिए use होते हैं. Reflectors in solar cookers. It provides a false dimension. When the workplace is very small, the effective length of the room appears to be increased by keeping two mirrors facing each other when fixed on the opposite walls. To provide a false dimension in showcases, displaying jewelry, wristwatches, spectacles, in a barber shop to show the customer back head, for the construction of periscope and kaleidoscope. For all these purposes, plane mirrors are used. Now this topic is about refraction of light. We'll have a just look over it. See beta, we have right now done the reflection. अब इसमें देखिए लाइट रेज पहले तो एयर में है और फिर वाटर में जा रही है. जैसे ही लाइट रेज जो हैं वो अपना मीडियम चेंज करेंगी, यानी रेयरर से डेंसर मीडियम में एंटर करेंगी, तो वो टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्मल बेंड हो जाएंगी, टू नॉर्मल यानी 90 डिग्री के एंगल की तरफ टर्न कर जाएंगी. तो इसलिए हमें ये पेंसिल जो है वो ब्रोकन नज़र आती है. दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन. ओके, now what is dispersion of light? The phenomenon of splitting of light into its component color. Splitting means spread हो जाना. लाइट जो है वो विबग्योर में स्प्लिट हो जाएगी. वाइट लाइट है वो 7 रेनबो कलर्स में डिस्पर्स हो जाएगी. इट इज नोन एज डिस्पर्सन ऑफ लाइट. एंड द बैंड ऑफ 7 कलर्स formed when white light passes through a prism is called spectrum of white light. You must have seen a beautiful rainbow appearing in the sky just after a shower of rain. It is due to dispersion of light. So this is all about the today's topic, and we have completed this chapter also. So you need to prepare this chapter well. Thank you.